I have used and reviewed quite a lot of earphones and headphones, and mostly because I really like checking out new earphones almost all the time. So when Juxxe sent over the True Wireless JamSport X1 earphones, I just had to check them out. Well, I have been using these earphones for the last 2 weeks, so today we are going to review Juxxe JamSports X1. On the box, we can see that they are Bluetooth 5.0, and at the back we have the specification and the box content info. So let's open the box and see the content. First thing I should say that the packaging of the product is very good. So on the top, here we have the charging case which has the earbuds inside. The charging case itself looks pretty good and has the premium look, and feel the build quality of this charging case is actually much better. We will look at the case and its content in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. We have 3 sets of silicone air gels, and then here we have the charging cable which is the type C. And I am really happy that the charging case comes with the type C port. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earbuds closely. Talking about the case first, we have this premium looking charging case which has the Juxxe branding on the top. The charging case is little big, and that is because it has 800 million power battery inside. You have glossy finish on the box which gives a nice look and feel. At the back we have the charging port which is type C, and in the front we have these 4 indicated lights for remaining battery status. Now let's open the box and see the earbuds. So here we have the earbuds which is magnetically attached to the charging case. I am really impressed with the build quality of the charging case, and it even feels premium. And now talking about the earbuds, we have the inner design, and there is also a mic in front of each earbuds, and at the back of the earbuds we have this material which feels pretty soft. At the back we have the charging points, and to charge these earbuds you just have to align them with the pins in the box and they will start charging. In terms of their technical specification, these earbuds are IP66 waterproof, and you don't have to worry even if it's rain. To control the earbuds, you have the touch area on the earbuds, and with the different touch combination, you can perform different action. For example, single tap will pause and play track. Double tap on the right earbuds will skip the track, and double tap on the left one will go back to the previous one. Similarly for the volume, long press on the right earbuds will increase the volume, and long press on the left earbuds will decrease the volume. During the testing, I find all these touch options work pretty good, and I never had any issue with them. Talking about the performance, first of all, these earbuds are pretty comfortable to wear, and you just have to insert in your ear and then rotate the earbuds, and you just need to make sure that the mic part stays in the front. And now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. These earbuds perform exceptionally very well. I am really happy with the performance, and you have good amount of bass and the clarity was amazing. There were no distortion even at full volume. And I must say that they are the best earbuds I have tested so far this year. Connectivity wise, their Bluetooth 5.0 and sports auto pairing. And you can also take calls with them, and mic quality is slightly better than the other earbuds. For the other person on the call will hear some echo when you are using them for call. Overall, we found these earbuds pretty good, and they have beautiful design which actually feels comfortable to use, and most importantly, these earbuds have amazing sound quality which you can easily compare with expensive earbuds, and the battery life is good. With one single charge, I was able to get 5 hours playback time, and then with the charging case, we can charge up to 4 times, increasing the battery life up to 20 hours, which is really good. Juxxe JamSport X1 is available at the moment for $50 and at this price I can say that they are value for money. The product look amazing and offers the amazing performance. So that's all for now. Let us know in the comment section what do you think about these earbuds. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.